प्रत्येक बायल म्हणटात की आपणे सेल्फ डिपेंडंट जावचें, कोणाचेर अवलंबून रावचें न्ही, आपलें काम आपणें करचें, आपणें जोडचें, आपणें मोडचें, जाय तसो पयसो खर्च करचो. पण एक टायम येता जेन्ना आमी कांयच करूंक शकना. भुरगीं आसतात, भुरग्यांक सांबाळपाक जाय, हें करूंक जाय, नोकरी करपाक वचूंक शकना. त्या टायमार आमी कितें करूं शकता की घरांत बसून आमी आपलें जे इनकम आसा तें जोडूंक शकता. अशेंच एका मनशाक आमी आयज मेळटली ज्याने आपले बँकिंगाचें करियर सोडून भुरग्यां खातीर आपलो टायम दिवचो म्हणून घरान रावली आनी नाव शी इज अ व्हेरी गुड वेल नोन बेकर. सो लेट्स मीट राधा मलिक. Hi Radha.
Hi.
How are you feeling on my show?
I'm feeling like coming on Kapil Sharma show. Like everybody says ki apne येवपाक जाय ह्या शोवार. So for me it is the first time. I'm feeling little nervous, but you're there to support me.
Yeah, of course I'm there. आणि आयचो म्हजो क्वेश्चन तुका, तुवें जें आतां बँकिंगान आशिल्लें, तूं यू वेर एज अ कॅशियर ओवर देर, यू आर अर्निंग गूड, भरपूर वर्सां तुवें काम केलां, अशें ना की एक वर्स केलें आनी सोडलें. मागीर तुवें अशें कितें डिसिजन घेतलें की आपूण घर सांबाळचें, आपणें हांगा हें करचें?
Actually माझो बँकिंगान सगळो टायम थंयच वतालो. I was not able to give time to my family. I used to come home late because there was a lot of cash transactions happening. We had a limited machine, so we had to give lot of our manpower time. Not machines कमी असल्या कारणान आमकां मॅन्युअली सगळें करचें पडटालें. So and then it was like I was not able to do it continuously for so many years because my family was getting affected. And then I thought of growing taking a second chance, second baby. So it was not possible as advised by the doctor. He asked me to be at home. That would be possible for you. So accordingly I took a break from the banking sector, and I after a year I was like expected, and then my all the 3 years went in handling both the kids.
सो आनी तुवें होच हें कित्याक घेतलो बिझनेस करपाचो इन केक्स लायक?
Actually, I was liking घरा असल्या कारणान I used to watch all the cookery shows, and I used to like because I like sweet things. I used to love to see those cakes, and then म्हटले आता हे आम्ही सुद्धा करू शकता. I was initially I was trying, and for all the birthdays I was doing myself only for my kids. But however it was like try करून करून एक outlook तरी एक बरो दिसतालो. So then I said I need to take some practice, and म्हटलं एक कोर्स करून पळोवचो. So all these days I was like YouTube was there as everybody takes the advantage of this new technology, and some things like everything you were learning small things, but you wanted some guidance. So
Yeah.
I thought of taking a small course that was a day's course only, and that is how I got little confidence from there.
केकाचें हें सुरू केलें पळय आतां, मागीर तूं बिझनेसान कन्वर्ट करपाचो विचार कसो आयलो तुजो? आनी तुका हांगा कस्टमर्स कशे मेळ्ळे? रायबंदर तूं रावता आतां, रायबंदर मिल रॉकाचेच कस्टमर आसा, मिल रॉक रिट्रीट काय भायलेय आसा?
आपण म्हणजे स्टार्टिंग कितें केलें आफ्टर सून एज आय did the course, I tried here, and then हांवें म्हजें जें क्रिएटिविटी कॅप्चर करून हें केल्ली. सो आय स्टार्टेड शोईंग इट टू माय किड्स फ्रेंड्स की पळय हांव इतले आय एम एबल टू डू सच टायप ऑफ केक्स, आनी तुमचे कडेन तुजो बर्थडे आसा जाल्यार म्हाका सांग, आय वूड डू अ नायस केक फॉर यू. यू वॉन्ट अ डॉल केक, आय विल डू इट फॉर यू. अशें करून हांवें सांगलें. सो वन डे आय गॉट एन ऑर्डर फ्रॉम देम.
So you got an order from Mill Rock Retreat
yeah,
only?
Mill Rock Retreat only. And I did it. Fine, this is my first order, so I'm going to do it the best. And they loved it. They were like, it's really good, and you're going to do better next time also, and you'll grow better also, they said. So I was thankful to them ki त्यांच्यानी म्हाका they gave a chance being a new baker. And that's how after it started. My friend gave me a second order. Then it was like my brother म्हणजे जेन्ना हांवें म्हज्या भयणीच्या चलये खातीर, she wanted a cake and she is a fan of Mario Miranda. So I did my creativity. I thought what I'm going to do on it, and I did the cartoons of Mario Miranda over it. And the photos hit the Facebook, and the amount of likes I got over it, and then the customers started coming from there also.
So social media has also helped you.
helped me. And then slowly people started knowing in Milrock. And because of this lockdown, people were not able to buy it from outside, and that's how they started ki you are doing it, we've heard, and we've got good word from everybody. So please requesting you to do it for us. अशें करून हांवें मागीर तें it started increasing.
So but you are loving your job.
Yes,
Whatever you
I
are
love
doing, you are loving it, you are
Yes.
enjoying it.
As म्हाका पयलीं पासून ड्रॉइंगाची खूब आवड आशिल्ली,
Oh.
पेंटिंग, क्रिएटिविटी, and this was a new canvas which I got to do. All these days I was doing it on papers, and this was a eatable canvas म्हणपाचें, which edible canvas मेळ्ळो, which with my art I could spread it all over, and I loved the reason की people are म्हणजे people's happiness, in their happiness, I'm being a part of it by giving something sweet to them.
Was it easy, like easy journey from banker to a baker?
Yeah, from banking was a tough job, not a tough job but a hectic job because it was stressful, and then you come home, you were not able to give that much time to your kids, and kids would have been upset ki you don't play with us. So after that, doing this is like you are there with the kids, you're there for them, and you can do your orders also. Like it's like both the things are manageable. So I'm feeling happy with this, and I always wanted to do something where I can take care of my kids also and do my business also, or whatever job I want to do. I wanted to do both together, handling both of them at the same time.
सो आता तूं आमकां एक इजियस्ट केक दाखोवंक शकतले जो आमच्या व्ह्यूवर पळोवंक शकता आनी इजिली घरान आसा ते वस्तू यूज करून ते करूंक शकता.
Yeah, sure.
आयज तूं आमकां कसलो केक करपाक शिकयतलें?
I'm going to show whatever is available in everybody's house. You don't have to go out and special bakery shop and वचून तूं कितें हाडपाची गरज ना. So the things what you find in everybody's house, this is the easiest way I'll be showing.
ज्यो वस्तू घरान आसा त्योच यूज करून तुम्ही इजियस्ट केक करूंक शकता आनी आयज आमकां राधा ते दाखयतले. लेट्स गो अहेड.
Yeah. So the ingredients are,
सांगा.
पयलीं आमकां लागतलो मैदो,
ओके.
which is 1.5 cup. So हे 1 cup आसा आनी हे half cup. So this both the cups will measure this.
ओके.
Maida, it is 1.5 cup. Then sugar is 1 cup, the same. Then we will require 4 tablespoons. These are the 1 tablespoon. Teaspoon and tablespoon वेगळे असतात.
Okay.
So teaspoon is this and tablespoon is this bigger. So ह्याचे 4 spoons of milk powder. Then 1 spoon of baking powder.
Okay.
1 teaspoon. Okay. And this is the baking soda. Soda is
पावडर
1/4.
आणि सोडा दोन्ही
Yeah.
घालूकच जाय पडटा काय कॅन वी
Yes.
स्कीप एनीथिंग?
When you are doing a cake of egg, that time you don't have to put soda. That time फक्त एक baking powder, or else both can be escaped. So it when we don't use that, त्याचे supplement म्हणून आमकां हे सगळें use करचें पडटा. So this is 1/4 of the baking soda. Then this is 1 cup of milk, and butter is 1/4 cup. This is the 1/4 cup, and 1/4 cup plus 2 spoons आमकां butter जाय. So normally oil घालतकच केक बरी जाता. So we will be using 1/4 cup of butter and 2 spoons of oil. So these are these 2 spoons of oil, and this is vinegar. You can use white vinegar. I am using here apple cider vinegar. So that you can use. If you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon juice.
Okay.
2 spoons of lemon juice also, or else curd. So this is apple cider vinegar, which is 2 spoons, teaspoons. These are the teaspoons,
ओके.
not the tablespoon. Tablespoon holder astat. So, and for the flavoring, we are going to use today butterscotch flavor. So we are going to use this 1 teaspoon.
Essence.
Yeah. Vanilla essence, सगळे flavors येतात. So we'll use butterscotch essence today. This will be 1 spoon. 1 teaspoon. 1 cup of warm milk, and we'll be adding the 1/4 cup of butter. You can use entire 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of butter, but I am using here 2 tablespoons of oil. If you use oil also, it is okay. You just have to add a pinch of salt to this after that, because this is salted butter. Oil will be unsalted. You can also use unsalted butter and then add a pinch of salt to it. See that everything is mixed properly. The butter should melt in it. Now we'll add the butterscotch essence, 1 spoon. You can use any flavor. If you are making a ras malai cake, you can use elaichi powder in this. And even when you make the cream, you can put the elaichi powder in the cream, the whipping cream. So now this is mixed. Now the time to get the dry mix. We can put all together in one and then start mixing. This is 1.5 cup of maida. 1 cup of powder sugar, milk powder 4 tablespoons, baking powder 1 tablespoon, and baking soda 1/4 tablespoon. Need to sieve it properly so that everything mixes. We are using a bigger bowl to mix so that everything gets mixed up properly. And this the dry mix is mixed 3-4 times, sieved 3-4 times, because the amount of more times you sieve it, it gives air inside and the cake bakes properly, evenly everywhere. So let us mix it in 3 parts. If you put the entire mix together, then you will get some lumps and it will be difficult to because you will have to keep on stirring it many times and then it will deflate the batter. The rice burrows also now. This is the last part we have put inside. And we don't have to mix it too much, just till everything is get mixed up with. And now just cut and fold method, so that the bubbles are still there and it also bees in the while baking. Now this is vinegar, which is to be put last, just before baking. 1 second. Pan. Now I am using a cooker utensil. You don't have to even buy the special tin. This is an aluminium tin. Just grease it, and I am using this butter paper, parchment paper. If you don't have this, you can buy everybody buy the butter. So from the butter, the paper which is left, you can use that. And now this will go into the oven to bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. The way the cake will be baked, it will rise, it will crack, that means it is baked properly. You have to just check it by just piercing the knife inside or a toothpick, and your knife should come out clean. So now the top part will be cutting and making these layers. To give a even cut, you just have to put this thread and will come out. We start with the layering. This is the whipped cream. This is 1 cup of whipped cream, non-dairy based whipping cream, in which you have to just add a small teaspoon of sugar and vanilla essence, or any essence you would like to. It should be stiff. Whipping cream has to be whipped for at least 20 minutes. You just have to check. If you're taking small portions like 1 cup, then within 15 minutes it's going to start becoming stiff like this. If you're taking 2 cups or more, then it will take at least 20 minutes to become firm. You should beat it with the beater for the first 5 to 6 minutes on the low speed and then on the high speed. Now let's put it in the piping bag. You will get all this stuff from the bakery shops available. A little bit of cream below so that the cake layer doesn't move. And then we'll place the cake. If your cake is dry, sometimes you bake and keep it and you want to do it on the next day, then you have to just take a little bit of water and sugar. Make a sugar syrup, not very thick, and just sprinkle it over so that it remains moist. And when you get the moistness, otherwise it's dry and the cream then doesn't taste nice. So it has to be a little bit moist. Move the palette knife slowly, should not press it, just this side and this side. It has to move like this and like this. If you start moving it like this, then the crumbs of the cake will come out. So it has to be lightly and it should get that much layer. If you start pressing, the cream will go down inside the cake. It's of Mapro butterscotch flavor, just for the flavoring, a little bit, because we have used a butterscotch essence in the beginning. And here also you can apply some water. Now it is fresh, so it doesn't require water. We'll do the same layering again. If you want, you can use strawberry, any other flavor for different layers. Just keep the border high with one piping layer of it, so that whatever you put over here, you can also put fruits, you can put anything you want, nuts. Now the last layer. Normally, many of them show, like, first they do the crumb coat, where they put the cream and they cover the cake properly, and then they keep it inside the fridge to cool. Now I can show you directly. You can put this thick layer, and then you don't have to do the second time layering. It will be one time only. So just the same way we did for the layering. Now see, with no time you will get the coat ready. You don't have to do the second layering. With the first layer only, the entire cake is covered.
थँक्यू राधा, आमच्यासाठी इतलो बरो तुवें केक केलो. एनर्जी, न्यूज ऑफ गोवा, फ्लेवर्स ऑफ गोवा. थँक्यू सो मच.
My pleasure.
आणि राधान आमकां आयज एक दाखयलें की हाऊसवायफ कोणी घरान सुद्दां आसा जाल्यार ती बरे पैकी बिझनेस करून आपल्या स्वताचेर स्वलंबून रावंक शकता.
Cheers to News of Goa and Flavors of Goa. To watch more episodes of Flavors of Goa, please subscribe News of Goa.
Hit the bell icon.